How do I change my wallpaper on iPhone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your wallpaper on iPhone. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Gradually swipe through iPhone, right? Head over to your app settings, click on this. Okay, go back, right? From this search option, just come on here and type in wallpaper, right? So if for any reasons you love to change your wallpaper on your iPhone, you're going to be displayed with a whole lot of options, right? This is currently the current wallpaper, and I think this was the previous one, right? So if you love to change to a new one, click on this add new wallpaper. Right now you can see a whole lot of displays, right? Ranging from the new wallpaper, from the live photo, right? You can see a whole lot of options right here, right? Like you can see a lot of options right here. So you can just come on and select any one of your choice, right? Once you're done, you're gonna change the wallpaper, right? And even if you have some wallpaper on your device, right, you love to change, you can just select it from here. And that is basically how you can do this. If you find this really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.